Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some BODMAS, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So they've given us this to calculate, and I've written out the important word that's going to see us through the whole of our primary school, high school, and then into university and real life. BODMAS, the order of operations. Now let's work through BODMAS letter by letter to see what we need to start with. So we've got a B for brackets, no brackets, so we don't need to worry about it. Then we move on to of, no of, so we can move on. Then we move on to E, which is exponents, no exponents, so we can move on. Then we move on to D for division, no division, so we can move on. Then we move on to M for multiplication, no multiplication, so we move on. We move on to addition, no addition, so we move on. And finally, we've got subtraction. So we can work from left to right in this particular question, right? So we see that we've got subtraction the whole way across. Right, so let's do this step by step. So we've got minus 3, minus 4. Now let's zone in just on that minus 3, minus 4. So that minus 3, minus 4. And what's very important is that you remember the sign in front of the number belongs to that number. Minus 3 minus 4 gives us minus 7. And then we write in the rest, minus 3 minus 12 equals. Right, let's move on to the next step. So we've got minus 7 minus 3. And minus 7 minus 3, remember we move in away from 0, further left. So that's going to be minus 7 minus 3 takes us to minus 10. And we've still got the minus 12. And now we can finish off this question by subtracting 12 from minus 10. So minus 10 minus 12 gives us an even smaller number, which is going to be minus 22. And that gives us the answer to this particular question. Really good job. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.